Snapchat crashes or not opening. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So if you have this issue, then you just have to follow the steps from this video, and at the end of this video I am 100% that your problems will be solved. So first of all, you have to make sure that your internet connection has a good quality. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can switch to data. And then you have to make sure that your Snapchat app is fully updated. So this may be a problem. Go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and then hit on the update button. After that, if it still doesn't work, you can go to your settings, search for apps. So scroll down, go to apps, and then you can scroll down until you find your Snapchat app, or you can just click on the search icon from the right top corner and search for Snapchat. So here you can uninstall the app by clicking the button at the bottom of the page, or you can just go to storage and clear the data and the cache. So after this, if your app still doesn't work, then that means that the problem is not you, not your internet, and it may be a bug or a glitch. So you can just wait for Snapchat to solve their problems, and then you'll be able to enter your Snapchat again. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash that like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.